tendency to go, you're the devil incarnate. No, you're not. You're an average manager. Oh, you're a world beater. No, you're not. You're an average manager. It's neither end of the spectrum. It's in the middle. And what we've got...
Okay, Garmin.
World-class part.
Yeah. Clutch down and then brake, isn't it? Because you're in first gear. If you're in second gear, slow down first. Remember we talked about this, isn't it? Higher speed, slow down first. Slower speed, you can clutch down first. More gas. Second gear. So, check your left mirror. More exit indicate left. And look at your exit more to your left side. Yes. Indicate, going straight. That's it. More gas. More gas. Never right to brake. Check your right mirror, matches into one lane. Crazy guy, isn't he? Yeah. And he's on his phone as well. Flash down, first gear. What is that for?
Like I noticed that, so because sometimes I did it once and then I was like, wait, no, that was right.
Too early.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, somebody's blocked. That's a nice stop though. Nice stop from the police.
Yeah, I was going to say right in front of there.
And it was very sudden, isn't it?
Yeah.